Welcome back, house hunters. Today we're headed across France to explore 10 incredible village properties, all priced between 85,000 and 128,400 euros. From charming stone cottages and renovated village homes to spacious family houses with gardens, garages, and countryside views, these listings prove that owning property in France can still be surprisingly affordable. Some of these homes are fully restored and ready to move straight into, while others offer exciting opportunities to add value and create your dream home in the French countryside. Whether you're looking for a holiday retreat, a retirement property, a rental investment, or a permanent move to France, there's something here for every budget and lifestyle. So let's get started as we explore 10 of the most affordable and interesting homes currently for sale across France. First, we arrive in the peaceful village of Arbomb, nestled in the French countryside, where this charming renovated village house offers a blend of traditional character and modern convenience. The property is listed at 85,000 euros and provides around 75 meters squared of living space. It's set on a fenced plot of approximately 144 meters squared. The main living area is located on the first floor, where a bright open-plan living room and fully equipped kitchen form the heart of the home. Natural light fills the space, creating a warm and welcoming environment for dining or entertaining. On the ground floor, the property includes a comfortable bedroom along with access to the practical utility areas of the house. Upstairs, a generous second bedroom provides plenty of space and flexibility, making the property suitable for families, guests, or a home office setup. A functional bathroom with toilet completes the interior layout, while recent upgrades ensure modern comfort throughout the home. The property has been carefully maintained and renovated over the years, including a roof replacement in 2016. Additional improvements include a new hot water tank, connected electric radiators, fiber optic internet, and an efficient fireplace insert that adds warmth and character during cooler months. Outside, the fence plot offers a manageable amount of private outdoor space, ideal for relaxing gardening or enjoying meals outdoors. A 25 meter squared garage provides valuable storage and parking space, while an insulated attic offers further storage potential. Next, we arrive in Aarzac, a peaceful hamlet on the northern edge of the Lot region in southwestern France, where this charming stone cottage offers stunning countryside views and plenty of potential. The property is listed at 86,500 euros and it provides around 39 meters squared of living space, set within approximately 1,900 meters squared of land. The cottage is full of traditional character and rustic charm. On the ground floor, the main living space features a traditional Cantu fireplace, creating a warm focal point and preserving the authentic atmosphere of the home. A kitchenette and sanitary area with a shower and separate toilet provide the essentials for comfortable living. A large window opens directly onto the garden and surrounding countryside, allowing natural light to flood the interior while framing the spectacular views beyond. Upstairs, a cozy bedroom provides a peaceful retreat overlooking the tranquil settings. While compact in size, the layout makes excellent use of the available space and creates an inviting countryside getaway. Part of the property has also been renovated, including electrical upgrades, insulation improvements, interior decoration, and the installation of the bathroom and kitchenette. This gives future owners a solid foundation while still leaving opportunities to further develop or personalize the home. Outside, the generous garden is partly wooded and offers numerous possibilities for outdoor living, gardening, or simply enjoying the peace and privacy of the location. A wooden garage provides additional storage and practical space for vehicles, tools, or other equipment. With its stone-built character, beautiful views, generous land, and excellent location close to some of the most picturesque villages in southwestern France, this property is an ideal holiday retreat, weekend escape, or starting point for a larger countryside project. Next, we arrive in the peaceful countryside near La Souterraine, where this charming renovated home offers an affordable escape in the heart of rural France. It's listed at just 99,000 euros. The property provides around 54 meters squared of living space, and it sits on a generous 522 meters squared plot. Located approximately 10 minutes from La Souterraine, the house enjoys a quiet setting while remaining close to shops, services, and transport links. It's surrounded by a rolling countryside and traditional French villages, where it offers the perfect blend of tranquility and convenience. Inside, the home has been tastefully renovated and is ready to move into. The ground floor features a welcoming entrance hall leading into a bright living room with a fitted kitchen, creating a comfortable open-plan space for everyday living. A laundry room and separate WC add practicality to the layout. Upstairs, you'll find a spacious bedroom, a landing area, and a bathroom with a WC. Electric heating and a traditional open fireplace provide year-round comfort while adding warmth and character to the home. Outside, the 522 meter square garden offers plenty of space for relaxing gardening or enjoying outdoor dining during the winter months. Now we move to Milhouse, a peaceful village nestled in the foothills of the Pyrenees in southwestern France. It's listed at €103,500, and this spacious village house offers around 110 meters squared living space. It's got 4 bedrooms and a garden, making it an attractive option for buyers looking for space and value in rural France. It's originally a traditional stone barn. The property was converted into a home in the early 2000s, and it retains plenty of rustic character while offering comfortable living accommodation. Located in the center of the village, the house enjoys a quiet setting surrounded by a beautiful countryside with the market town of Aspet just a short drive away. On the ground floor, the entrance leads to a large bathroom, a separate toilet, and 2 bedrooms. These rooms offer good potential but would benefit from some finishing renovation work, allowing new owners to add their own style and improvements. Upstairs, the home opens into a bright and spacious 42-meter square living room with a kitchen area, creating a welcoming central space for family life and entertaining. This level also includes 2 additional bedrooms, bringing the total bedroom count to 4 and providing plenty of flexibility for guests, home offices, or larger families. Outside, there is a garden of approximately 150 meters squared located behind the house. While it is not currently accessible directly from the interior, there is the possibility of creating an opening to connect the living space with the garden, significantly enhancing the property's outdoor appeal. The home benefits from a wood-burning insert fireplace, double glazing, and a habitable condition that allows buyers to move in while completing any remaining updates. With generous living space, 4 bedrooms, a garden, and plenty of character, this property represents an affordable opportunity to enjoy village life in a beautiful part of southern France. Next, we arrive in the historic area between Richelieu and Châteauroux, where this spacious village house offers excellent value for families, investors, or anyone looking for a home with outdoor space in the French countryside. It's listed at €107,000, and the property provides around 125 meters squared living space, and it sits on a generous 1,287 meters squared plot. It's located within walking distance of local shops and everyday amenities. The home combines the convenience of village life with easy access to larger towns, while the nearby bus route makes it particularly appealing for families. Inside, the house is arranged over 2 levels and features bright, well-proportioned rooms throughout. The heart of the home consists of 2 spacious living rooms with a combined area of approximately 43 meters squared. A central fireplace creates a warm focal point and adds character to these welcoming living spaces. The fitted kitchen offers plenty of room for everyday cooking and dining, while the flexible layout also includes 3 bedrooms and a dedicated study area that could serve as a home office, hobby room, or additional guest space. A family bathroom equipped with both a shower and bathtub provides practicality, while generous storage solutions throughout the home and add convenience for everyday living. Outside, the property benefits from a courtyard, a large garden of around 900 meters squared, and a substantial 45 meter squared barn that offers exciting possibilities for storage, workshops, or future conversion projects. An additional bonus is the adjoining building plot, providing further development potential for buyers looking to expand or invest. Now we arrive in the charming village of Saint-Amans-Soult. Nestled at the foot of the Montagne Noire in southern France, listed at €109,000, this attractive village house offers approximately 126 meters of living space, with 4 bedrooms and a beautiful tree-lined terrace, making it an ideal full-time residence, holiday home, or rental investment. It's located right in the heart of the village. The property enjoys easy access to local amenities while being surrounded by the natural beauty and relaxed pace of life that make this region so appealing. The home is arranged over 3 levels and has been well maintained, with tasteful decor throughout. On the ground floor, you'll find a welcoming living room and an open-plan kitchen that flows directly onto the terrace. This connection between indoor and outdoor living creates a bright and inviting atmosphere, perfect for dining, entertaining, or simply relaxing outdoors. The first floor features 2 comfortable bedrooms along with a bathroom and toilet, providing practical accommodation for family or guests. Moving up to the second floor, there are 2 additional bedrooms as well as a dedicated office space, offering flexibility for remote working, hobbies, or extra guest accommodation. Access to the attic is available via a retractable ladder, providing useful additional storage. And one of the property's standout features is the pleasant tree-lined terrace, offering a private outdoor retreat in the center of the village. Beneath the terrace, there is also an additional space that could be adapted as a workshop, storage area, or even further living accommodation depending on your needs. It's sold fully furnished and ready to move into. This charming home offers plenty of space, character, and versatility at an attractive price point, making it an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to enjoy authentic village life in southern France. Next, we arrive in the beautiful area of Sanserei in the Lot department of southwestern France, where this fully restored stone village house offers charm, comfort, and move-in ready convenience. It's listed at €117,700, and the property provides around 83 meters square living space and sits on a manageable 145 meters square lot. It's located in a peaceful setting close to a nearby body of water. The home enjoys a quiet atmosphere while still being just minutes from local shops, services, and everyday amenities. The property has been completely renovated and it requires no further work, making it an excellent option for buyers seeking hassle-free home, holiday retreat, or rental investment. On the ground floor, you'll find a welcoming living area with a kitchenette, creating a practical and comfortable space for everyday life. This level also includes a bathroom, a laundry area with a toilet, and additional storage space. Upstairs, the layout opens into a bright living room with an open plan, partially equipped kitchen. A covered balcony extends the living area outdoors, providing a pleasant spot to enjoy meals, relax, or take in the surrounding village atmosphere. The upper floor also includes a flexible room that can be used either as a second living area or an additional bedroom alongside another bedroom, a bathroom, and a separate toilet. Outside, the enclosed courtyard provides a valuable feature rarely found in village homes, offering secure off-street parking and a private outdoor space that is easy to maintain. Next, we arrive in Lacapelle-Biron, a picturesque village in the Dordogne region of southwestern France, where this beautifully restored stone house combines traditional character with generous living space. It's listed at €121,700, and the property offers approximately 135 meters squared of accommodation spread across 3 levels. Located within a charming village setting, the home benefits from timeless appeal of stone architecture while providing the comfort and practicality of a modern renovation, having been fully restored in 2003. On the ground floor, the property opens into a welcoming living room featuring an inset fireplace that creates a warm and cozy atmosphere. The fitted and fully equipped kitchen offers plenty of space for everyday cooking and dining, while a pantry provides useful additional storage. This level also includes a WC and access to a fully tiled garage, adding practicality and convenience. The first floor features 2 comfortable bedrooms along with a second living room centered around another fireplace. This flexible space could serve as a family room, reading lounge, or guest area. One of the standout features of this level is the veranda, providing a bright and relaxing space to enjoy throughout the year. A shower room with WC completes the floor. The second floor offers further accommodation, including a spacious bedroom with an adjoining dressing room, which could also be used as an additional bedroom or office. This level also includes another shower room with WC and a large tiled attic of approximately 33 meters squared, offering excellent storage or potential for future use. Throughout the home, the quality of the renovation is evident, with the property presented in excellent condition and ready for immediate occupation. Next, we arrive in the historic walled town of Richelieu, one of France's most charming Renaissance towns, where this attractive townhouse offers character, comfort, and a highly convenient location. The property is listed at €121,900 and it provides around 110 meters squared living space. Inside, the house offers a bright and practical layout. The ground floor features a welcoming living room and a separate dining room, creating flexible spaces for relaxing, entertaining, or family gatherings. A semi-furnished kitchen provides plenty of functionality while allowing new owners to add their own personal style. Upstairs, you'll find 2 large bedrooms, each benefiting from its own bathroom, offering comfort and privacy for both residents and guests. The generous room sizes create a spacious feel throughout the property and add to its appeal as either a permanent home or rental investment. Outside, the enclosed courtyard provides a private outdoor space that is easy to maintain, perfect for enjoying a morning coffee, outdoor dining, or simply relaxing in the peaceful surroundings. One of the property's standout features is its quiet environment despite being located in the heart of the town. Easy parking nearby and all amenities within walking distance add further convenience to everyday life. Finally, we arrive in Lauzerte, one of France's officially designated most beautiful villages, where this charming stone house offers history, character, and exciting rental potential. It's listed at €128,400 and the property provides around 76 meters squared living space arranged over 3 levels. Inside, the property retains plenty of traditional character while offering a practical layout. The house includes 2 comfortable bedrooms, providing accommodation for family guests or visiting pilgrims. A kitchen and dining area form the heart of the home, creating a welcoming space for everyday living and entertaining. There is also a versatile living room that could alternatively be used as an additional bedroom, home office, or guest space, allowing buyers to adapt to the layout of their needs. One of the standout features is the beautiful vaulted stone cellar, which adds considerable charm and authenticity. This space could serve as storage, a wine tasting area, a workshop, or even be incorporated into future renovation plans to create additional living or hospitality space.